Hello guys, I am from Radical Tech Art Solution Private Limited and today we are going to discuss about pressure gauge. So what is pressure gauge? Pressure gauges are instruments used for pressure measurement. Pressure gauges uses pressure sensing elements for measuring applied pressure. So basically pressure gauges are divided into three categories, which are Bourdon tube, diaphragm and bellow, which are the pressure sensing elements. So Bourdon tube type pressure gauges are used for measurement of medium to high pressures. You can see one model of pressure gauge with me. In industrial measurement technology, different types of pressure gauges are used. Pressure gauges can be used in a variety of applications and also it covers the majority of applications. Now we will talk about the technical specifications of this pressure gauge. You can see the special features of this pressure gauge: stainless steel case and measuring system, rough construction, dry or liquid filled, standard followed in general EN 8371. Also here the applications are mentioned: foods, engine compressors, diesel equipments, nuclear power plants, pharmaceutical turbines, hydraulic, petrochemical industries, hydrocleaning machines, refrigerating plants and gaseous liquid media that will not obstruct the pressure system, pumps, chemical, conventional presses. These all are the applications which is used the pressure gauge. So now we will talk about this model of pressure gauge. The range of this model is 0 to 700 kg. The dial size is 63 mm. Mounting type is bottom mounting. You can see this. The connection type is 1/2 BSP. Also you can see the reference standard is EN 8371, which is shown on this model. All SS 316 wetted parts. It is also mentioned. The nominal dial size are DN 100, DN 125, DN 150, DN 200 and DN 250. The ranges of this model can be -1 to 2500 bar. You can choose the range between this range. The accuracy of this model is mentioned here, CL1. The process connections are 1/2 BSP or NPT and 3/8 BSP or NPT are available with this model. The types of mounting: bottom with wall mounting, bottom lower back, as well as lower back with bracket, lower back with 3-hole panel, center back with panel. These all are mounting types which are available with this model. So as I said earlier, pressure gauges are used to measure pressures in various applications. So the decision of any pressure gauge is always depends on the specific applications. Here Radical Tech Art, we are happy to advise you on the right choice of pressure gauge for your applications. So if you need any type of pressure gauge for your applications, you can contact through our mail ID or this contact number. Please stay connected to us. Thank you.